Well, greetings. It's demonstration time. Let's go ahead and show you how these two fixtures are going to fold these tray style boxes for you. Now we have labels that's going to indicate the front. We're going to put that label directly in front of us, and we're going to go through a two-part process. We're going to go ahead and set the box in the fixture, then we're going to press it down and make our folds. So I would recommend for some of these larger boxes that you go ahead and set it on top of the fixture. You can take these two scores here and break them, pull them up against the pillars, set it into the fixture, and then just go ahead and make your fold. So that's our first one. And our second one is going to perform the exact same way. Once again, we're going to put that fixture directly in front of us, label at the front. We're going to take our box, set it on top, break a couple of scores, press it into the fixture, make a couple of folds, and we have our completed box. Thank you very much.